Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is your love and general reading. We'll see what's happening in your love life and your energies, your person's energies, the mutual energies, outcome, etc. etc. And we'll see some advice also at the end of this reading. Okay, guys, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. So you could be a cross watcher and you can reverse the energy as it suits you. All right. So the first card, Aries, Chariot, confused between what to do, how to do, Empress, Judgment. Guys, I feel that you are in this place where you are ready to move on, but then there's something that's holding you back. Okay, it's like you want to take a decision, you want to move forward in life, you have made up your mind, but still you're not sure. Okay, you're unsure about something. This could be your career, this could be your love life, could be anything. Some of you have recognized your power. You know that what you want in life, how you want it your way. You are not going to listen to anybody, or you are not in this place, Aries, where you would do what others want you to do. You have come to a place where you want things your way. Okay, so some of you feel that you have done things according to somebody else in the past, but now you have taken the power in your hand. So you are no longer going to listen to somebody else, no longer going to do things as others want you to be or do. So you have realized, some of you are literally seeking guidance from universe as far as your career is concerned. Maybe you are confused between career choices, or this could be that you want some clarity in some aspect of your life. All right, so that is what you're seeking. You want universe to help you in some way. Maybe you are seeking promotion, you're seeking some guidance as far as your career is concerned. You're confused whether you should be going for a job or you should be doing some business. You are confused between two things and you want it your way. So you feel that you have already invested a lot in something in the past which didn't work out the way you expected it to. Now you want to take control of your life. You are fully charged up to do things as you want. You don't want anybody to give you any guidance, or you are in no mood to listen to others. You want to listen to your own heart, your own intuition. Okay, that is something I see very strongly here. All right, what is this? King of Pentacles. See, some of you're focusing on your pentacles, your money, power. You're content in wherever you are, but still at the same time seeking more. It's like you're not content, you're not settled, you want more. Like the hunger of doing more or achieving more, but at the same time you feel content. Okay, some of you are confused between two decisions, two choices. This could be in your career. All right, what is it? Two of Wands. I just said confused between two things, two options. Queen of Wands. I said you have come to a point, Aries, where you are not going to listen to anybody, anything. You don't want any advice from people around you. You want things to work out the way you want it to. So you are in no mood to listen to people. You don't want any advice from people around you. I do see people, there may be some people who are trying to force their opinions on you, or force their thoughts on you, and you are like, hey, listen, I am matured enough to handle my own thing, so I don't want you to guide me or you to give me any suggestion. I will do the way I want it. Okay, so you have come in your power, Aries. That is something that I see here very strongly. So let's see what's happening in your love life. Okay, oh my god, I spoke about love and we have the Lovers here. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm so happy. You are in love with somebody for sure. Divine love, you are guide. Oh my god, look at this. Six of Cups and with the Four of Cups. Some of you are madly in love with somebody, and could be an ex who may have returned in your life after a long time, could be years. So I do see reconciliation. Maybe you were in separation in the past and this person is trying to come back in your life. Somebody is trying to say sorry, apologize. Somebody is trying to please you. Okay, Aries, somebody is trying hard to work on this relationship with you. They don't want to let you go so easily. So somebody is very serious for you. How, I don't know why I feel that somebody is offering you a lot of love, but you love this person, but somehow I don't know why I see that you're not so happy. Okay, we'll clarify this. Why are you in this energy? Okay, I don't know why I feel that you're still not happy with this person. Knight of Cups. So some of you, I feel that you have somebody who is madly in love with you, but you don't know whether this person is the right person for you. I do see love. Love is mutual. There's no doubt. You both are guided towards each other divinely, but still, you're taking your own sweet time. For the others of you, I think you're in the best of phase. What else can I say? You are like meeting, going out, enjoying, you're celebrating this relationship. Some of you, I feel that you are in this energy where there is somebody who is proposing you. And yes, if you have been single, I do see somebody who is going to come forward and propose to you very soon. Somebody has deep love and deep emotions for you. This person is going to offer you a cup soon. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you are in this place that you have realized that somebody has invested a lot in you in the past, and now you have come to a point where you want to do things for this person. Okay, maybe this person you're dealing with, they have been for you through all thick and thin in the past, and I feel that you have come to a point where you want an equal give and take, and you have come to a point where you want to do things for this person. Okay, this person is somebody who loves you a lot. Maybe this person has done a lot for you, and now you want to give this person, like you want to offer them love, you want to offer them commitment, you want, like you have come in this giving energy. So could be that you may have ignored somebody in your past, but now you have come to a point where you want to do things for this person. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who's very lovable. Okay, this person is very lovable. They've done a lot for you in the past. Page of Swords. Oh my god, the Star and the World. Yeah, I feel that this person you're dealing with, guys, this person is keeping a close tab on you. They're stalking you. Okay, and this is you also to some extent. Like, it's not just them. This is a mutual energy. You both are stalking each other. In some cases they are stalking you, in some cases you are stalking them. This person is somebody who is worth taking risk with. Some of you, as I said, you're confused. You don't know whether is this the person or not, but I feel that this is like a reassurance, the Star in the World, that this person is worth putting in efforts. This person is trustworthy. You can go forward. Like, if you're confused whether to get into this relationship or whether should you trust this person, then I would suggest you can go forward, because this person is somebody who is very genuine and is trustworthy. Okay, I do see that this person is trustworthy. We have the Star and World, so this is like a message. You can start a new life with this person. You can start a new chapter with this person. Some of you are hesitant and reluctant. You don't want to get back to an ex who is trying to approach you, is trying to please you, say sorry, etc, etc. But this is something, this two cards, this is like a reassurance that you can take this risk with this person, because this person is worth putting efforts on, and this person is worth your trust. So you can trust this person basically. So let's see, what are the energies, how are they feeling towards you? You're dealing with somebody. See, we have the Page of Wands and Four of Pentacles. This person is mad, crazy for you, crazy, I think this person is somebody who won't give up on you so easily. They are very possessive about you, very possessive about you. Maybe in some cases this person may be trying to hold back their emotions. Maybe they are not opening up as much as you would want them to, but this person is somebody who is worth putting efforts on, and you can start a new chapter with this person, Aries. Okay, this person is genuine. This person is somebody who is loyal. This person sees you as a star of their life. This person is somebody who is desperate to start a life with you, desperate to move forward in this relationship with you. All right, any advice for my Aries? Any advice? Let's see if we have any advice for you, Aries, because this is a beautiful reading. I need not say more, I really need not say more. Some of you, I think you are thinking of traveling, especially if you are a male. You want to go and meet this person. Maybe you both are staying away from each other, or there's this distance, so you want to go and meet this person. That is also something you both are trying to think on how to work on this relationship. Like, you know, you are thinking of ways how to make this work. Okay, I do see that process where you are literally thinking on how should you move forward with this person, what should you do, what you should not do, etc, etc. So you're being careful, but yes, it's a divine love that has come your way, Aries. So I think you should advise is Nine of Cups, Tower. Some of you are still stuck with a past, okay, a past situation. I don't know, this could be a toxic past that you have had in your recent past. So you are being asked to forget whatever happened in your past and move forward, because you have a beautiful life waiting for you, Aries. This is a new person. This is a person who may have come back. Some of you are not willing to put efforts on this ex who may have come back after a long time back in your life. So these two messages, these cards are trying to tell you that forget your past. Don't think about what went wrong. If this person is trying to come back, say apologize, etc, etc, give this person a chance. Doesn't matter, this could be a new person for some of you, this could be an ex for some of you, whatever it is, trust, move forward. And some of you, I think this is a wish fulfillment. You literally wished for this person and this person is there in your life. So you have met the one for you, Aries. Okay, don't think about what went wrong. Don't think about, I think you guys are thinking negative, okay, or you still are stuck with a past or a past person. So you being asked to move forward in life. Don't stay stuck, okay, there's no point. Life is beautiful. This is your life, one life. Just move forward, Aries. One last advice. We'll see one more advice for you. Okay, I've got this. Ten of Pentacles. See, this is what is waiting for you, Aries. A beautiful family, a beautiful relationship, a long-term commitment. If your marriage was, maybe your marriage didn't work out, so you may get married to a new person, a person who is your wish fulfillment. For some of you, this could be a reunion. Okay, reunion with your partner, your spouse, your girlfriend, boyfriend, doesn't matter. So I do see a strong, stable commitment coming for you, Aries. Okay, a strong, stable commitment. So there's no point in staying stuck with the past. Just move forward. That is the advice. See, like, you know, some of you have been waiting for something that you really wanted badly in your life. The right person, a right relationship, a right marriage, could be marriage, and that is what I see. So some of you may land up being married with this person whenever, doesn't matter, different for different of you, but this is a strong commitment coming your way. Okay, if you haven't already found this person, then this person is on his way. This person is going to soon come in your life, Aries, especially if you're single. Okay, so that was that, guys. I really hope this helps. And see, confusion, Two of Swords is something that, like, in spite of having the right person in front of you, you are not sure, you are hesitant to move forward. So that is the bottom energy. Okay, so that was that, Aries. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. Okay, so that was that, Aries. You guys take care. I love you all. Bye.